Hello everybody, it's my printer, my new one. It's a Canon imageCLASS model MF642Cdw all-in-one wireless color laser. I've been wanting this type of printer for quite a while, and this is just a quick demonstration. It's not an in-depth how every little aspect works. I'm just going to show what I do with it. Let's try this old New Tone brochure. We'll do a copy. So it goes up there. We'll do copy right there. Color start. And there we go. It just works. That's all I wanted. Not perfect, but it's a good enough representation. Now, let's go ahead and scan it. Next one over is scan. We'll scan to the computer. We'll do a color scan. We'll hit start. It is now scanning. And we'll come over here to the screen. And here we are at the screen. I'll click on it. And there it is. That's all I wanted. It works. So next, I will look up a recipe, just for example. Alright, I want to make some sugar cookies. I got a sugar cookie, easy sugar cookie recipe pulled up. I will go down. Yeah, that looks like easy enough to make. Let's print it. Okay, it's come up to the print preview page. Let's print. There we go. And now I can take this recipe into the kitchen and prepare it. The printer just worked, which I haven't had that in a while. I had been using inkjet printers for years, and if I didn't need to print something out for a month or so, when I got ready to use it, the ink was already dried up. So that was a waste of money to keep on buying those ink cartridges. For my last demonstration, I have my Android LG device, which is not mine. It's company issued, so you know, it is what it is. It's not the greatest thing, but anything you can get out of this company is a miracle. I am going to print out a picture. Okay, I need to print out this price sign to show somebody. So I'll go up there, print, and it should start printing. And there it goes. And I didn't set it to landscape, but it did print it out. Let's do that again and get our settings correct this time. Do some landscape, and we'll print it. And there we have it. So this has just been a quick look at my new printer. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure I'll learn more in depth how to use it as time goes on. But for now, this has been a look at my new Canon all-in-one laser. Thank you for watching.